Today I've got a short restore routine for you. We'll start off by moving from our center and our waist, drawing water waves and taking deep breaths at the same time. Coming into the present moment, letting go of the day so far. And we'll come back to center. We'll circle our hands up and we'll do cherry picking. So stretching up and picking a cherry from the top of a tree. Stretching with the other arm, picking a cherry, and we'll keep going. And if you don't like cherries, just imagine you're picking your favorite fruit. We'll do a few more in our own time. One more with each hand. And then circling our arms back down. And we'll finish off with Buddha holds up the earth, bringing our hands round in front of us. We'll breathe in, allowing our hands to float up. Palms are pointing up. And exhale, hands float back down the same way. Breathing in. And out. And we can put a pause at the top and the bottom. Breathing in. Pause. And exhale. Pause. In. And we'll do a few more in our own time. And we'll do one last one. Breathing in. Pause. Breathing out. Release. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please feel free to share with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Bye.